Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the latest version of MariaDB. Let's get started. First, typing MariaDB download in the Google search engine and pressing enter. After that, several search results appear on the screen. Here, I'm clicking on the MariaDB download page link. As you can see, the official MariaDB download page is now open. From here, we can download the latest version of MariaDB and proceed with the installation. Here, the first option shows the MariaDB version. Choose the latest version. Next, the operating system options are displayed. Here, select Windows. Below that, you'll see the architecture type. It is already set to 64-bit, so leave it unchanged. Next is the package type. Here, select the MSI package option. Now, click the download button. As you can see, the download page opens and the MariaDB download starts automatically. Once the download is complete, click on the setup file to begin the installation process. The MariaDB setup wizard screen is now displayed. Click Next to continue. Next, the End User License Agreement screen appears. Check the box to accept the license agreement, then click Next. After that, the Custom Setup screen opens. Here, you can choose to install the complete setup or select specific components according to your requirements. You can also view or change the installation location by using the Browse option if needed. For this tutorial, we'll keep the default settings unchanged. Once everything looks good, click Next to proceed. Next, the User Settings screen appears. Here, enter your password and confirm it. You can also check the option to allow the root user to be used from this machine. After that, click Next. Now, the Instance Property screen is displayed. Here, keep the service name as MariaDB. You'll also see the TCP port number, which is set to 3306 by default. In my case, port 3306 is already being used by MySQL, so a warning message appears. I'll avoid the conflict. Change the port number from 3306 to 3307 and then click Next. The Ready to Install screen is now displayed. Click Install to begin the installation process. The installation may take a few minutes to complete. Once the installation is finished, click Finish to close the setup wizard. Now, press the Start menu key on your keyboard to open the Start menu. Scroll down the list of applications until you find the MariaDB folder. Click on it, and then select HeidiSQL. The Session Manager window is now open. Since this is the first time opening HeidiSQL, the window appears blank. The next step is to click the New button located at the bottom left corner. A new session named and named will be created. Here, enter the MariaDB password that you configured during installation. If you are also using MySQL on your system, make sure to change the port number to 3307 because port 3306 may already be in use by MySQL. After entering the password and updating the port number if needed, click Open. A message will appear asking whether you want to save the session modifications. Click Yes. HeidiSQL will now connect to MariaDB, and the main interface will open. To create a new database, right-click in the left panel. A menu will appear. Select Create New, and then click Database. The Create Database dialog box will open. Enter my blog as the database name and click OK. As you can see, the new database has been created successfully. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.